Hello guys, welcome to my second video on my YouTube channel. Like I told you before, I'm going to bring some Promodel exercises, and today we're gonna start with the first exercise. It's gonna be the simulation of a car workshop. So let's read the exercise. Consider the operation of a car workshop. Let's suppose that it is a Saturday shift and there are two workers at the shop. The jobs arrive randomly with times differences between 10.2 and 30.5 minutes. The time probability is equal for every value on the interval. There are seven kinds of jobs that may arrive to the workshop. The first is oil change, second, brake tension, the third is tire balance, alignment, timing, lag mechanics, and finally normal mechanics. Each type of work has a probability of arriving of 35% for the first one, 18% for the second, 14%, 15%, 11% and 4%, and also 3%. The works are carried out in a time which variation is shown in the following table. For the oil change, the time may change between 18.1 and 25.8 minutes. For the brake tension, between 21.5 and 35.7 minutes. For the tire balance, between 17.2 and 30.8, with 22 minutes is the most likely value for the time. Alignment, it has a mean of 22 minutes with standard deviation of 2 minutes and is normally distributed. Timing has a mean of 55 minutes with the deviation of 1.8 minutes and is normally distributed. And lag mechanics may change between 30 and 60 minutes. Also, normal mechanics may vary between 40 minutes and 95 minutes, being 70 minutes the most likely value for the time. And also, according to the shop's policies, both workers attend the same job with the first in, first out rules. This means that the jobs are attended according to when they arrive. It says that our job is to run a simulation for the workshop operation until 60 jobs are completed. Also, we will need to record the following metrics: the make span for the 60 jobs, the time average that a job remains in the system, the time average that every kind of job remains in the system, the time percentage that the shop is empty, the time average that a job waits until it is attended, the time average that every kind of job waits until it is attended, the percentage of jobs that need to wait to be attended, the percentage of every kind of jobs that need to wait to be attended, the time average that a job waits until it is attended, only for the jobs that had to wait, the time average that a job waits until it is attended for every kind of job, only for the jobs that had to wait, and the number of jobs in the QE for every kind of jobs. And finally, let's suppose that the first job arrives as soon as the shop opens. So, for you to have an idea of what we're talking about, is a simulation of a work day in a shop like this when the cars arrive, and there are 7 kind of jobs like I explained before. So let's check a brief simulation that I have already done here, but we're going to do a new one from scratch. And yeah, let's look at this one. Just give me 1 second. Okay, so here are the two workers, and this is the QE where the jobs are arriving. So like you can see, we have a lot of displays here catching the data that we will use later. So I hope you join me in the next video when I'm going to start doing the exercise. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye.